So friend, Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is rumored to be in development as the fourth addition to the Galaxy S25 lineup. Ahead of its anticipated debut, which is set to take place this month, a major leak has surfaced with details about the phone's specifications as well as its price. The phone could be powered by the same Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip as other S25 models and may become the only model in the lineup to debut with two cameras instead of three. The German publication WinFuture detailed the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge leaked specifications in a report. The phone is likely to debut with a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a variable 120Hz refresh rate, and in line with the rumored slim moniker, it is said to have a weight of 163 grams and a thickness of just 5.8 mm, potentially making it the thinnest Galaxy S model to date. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is reported to have a titanium frame with glass on the front and back, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 respectively. The handset could also have an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner under the display and could debut with an IP68 rating against dust and water injures. Rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy SoC, the phone is said to be equipped with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of onboard storage. The phone is reported to ship with Android 15 based OneUI 7. For optics, it may sport a dual rear camera unit comprising a 200MP main camera and 12MP ultra-wide angle lens and 12MP front camera for selfies and video calls. Connectivity options on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge may reportedly include Wi-Fi 7 and a Bluetooth 5.4. The phone could pack a 3900 mAh battery, and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge price could be set at €1,249 for the 256GB configuration in Germany, and while the 512GB variant could set you back by €1,369. The pricing potentially places the handset between the Galaxy S25 Plus and the Galaxy S25 Ultra in Samsung flagship lineup, and it may reportedly be offered in three colorways, and those are Titanium Jet Black, Titanium Icy Blue and Titanium Silver. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.